Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you top 4 apps that you can use to purchase phone number for verification online. You can use it for your business. You can use it for anything online. You can use it for survey. You can use it for any app. The first on my list is virtual norm. With virtual norm, you can verify any app, and you can verify any app that is not on it. What I mean is that on this app, they've listed they've listed the app that you might need a phone number to verify. For instance, you can see there is WhatsApp, Telegram, Google Voice, Facebook. You just need to click it and go for the countries. Then you verify like that. For for instance, let's choose England. See, you need 20 coin. You need 20 coin to verify this England Facebook. So to buy coin, you click this menu, then you go for shop, then you go for the coin. 30 coin, the minimum coin you can buy is 30 coin, which is 1,750 naira, and the maximum coin is 1,000 coin, which is 21,000 naira. 60 coin is 3,520 naira. So here you use coin to verify, and it is once when you verify and they send you code, you get your code in this activation. You get your code here. You get your code there. That is that. The second one is SMS SMS virtual. SMS virtual is cheaper than virtual now. Very, very cheap. Activation here is 400 naira, 410 naira. Let's go to purchase. Yeah, see the purchase is 410 naira per activation. Cheap. It is cheaper than virtual now. These are all the countries they have. Let's go for app. These are all the app they have that you can verify, that you can purchase number for. They are all the app they have. Yeah. When you activate any phone number, you will get it here. You get it in my number, and your message when they send you code, that code will enter here. That code will enter here. It is cheap. And before I go to the second part, when you pay for activation here, it is once, just once. You can't use it twice. That is the problem with this platform. You can only use it once, just once, but it is cheap. 410 naira, and the virtual norm. On virtual norm you can use 1,000 plus to activate, and here you can use 410 naira to activate. So it is cheaper. But you can't use it forever. Now let's go to the apps that you can use forever. Vike. Let's go for Vike. Vike. Let's go for Vike. When you Vike to purchase phone number on Vike, you need to select the country. Let's say United States. Then let's use Georgia. File name, then duration. For 1 month, 1 month is 9,500. It is cost. For 3 months is 12,000 plus. I will advise you to go for 3 months. Let's do example. For 1 month, you see, purchase with Google Play. Accept. See, it's 9,900 naira for 1 month. Now let's go for 3 months. 3 months is 12,900. So it is better to go for 3 months. It's better to go for 3 months here. It is cheap. It is not cheap, but the phone number they will give you is better. You can use it for many time, for long duration, and you can use it to receive different code. It's just like a phone number, but it is virtual. So you can download the app on Play Store. Let's move to the fourth one. The fourth one is Vanity. See, Vanity business. The fourth one is Vanity. Vanity is like Vike, but it's cheaper than Vike. You remember on Vike, 1 month purchase, 1 month subscription for US phone number is 9,900 naira. But for this one, just 3,500 naira. This 1.9 is 3,500 naira. It is cheaper. But for the long run, let's say 3 months, Vike is better because Vike is just 9,900 naira, and this one we be close to 10,500 naira or 10,600 naira. So for the long run, Vike is better. If you want 3 months, 4 months, Vike is better. But if you want just a month, if you want to get your number for just a month, you want to use it for just a month, Vanity is the go-to. They operate the same way. You will get your text here on the app. You also get text on the Vike app too. Vanity receive call, Vike also receive call. So it's the same thing. Just the cost. For long duration, Vike is okay. For a month or 2 months, go for Vanity. This is the amount for a US phone number. This is the amount we pay for a US phone number. All these app can be gotten on Play Store. See, Vanity Business. When you want to search it, go for Vanity Business. Then Vike. When you want to search it on Play Store. All these things can be gotten on Play Store. It is just search for it. You will get it. Register with your phone number. Yes, you register with your phone number. All the app I listed here, you register with your phone number. You get verification. Then you can go ahead and buy your phone number like that. Just choose the one you can manage, the one you have money for. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video so that other people can benefit. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.